Classes are supported with classes are supported with a single inheritance, and B, multi-level inheritance. Inheritance allows to extend the class. Actually, uh, in general, inheritance is three major types. Can be implemented in three major types. Can be implemented the three major types. So one is single inheritance. Another one is multiple inheritance, and multi-level inheritance. Single, multiple, and multi-level inheritance. Technically, in general, inheritance can be implemented in three major types, in three major ways. So single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and multi-level inheritance. But classes are supported with only single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. So usually classes are not supported with multiple inheritance. Interfaces are supported with multiple inheritance. Classes are not supported with multiple inheritance. Interfaces are supported with multiple inheritance. This is important point. Actually, so here, so one important question regularly is actually what is single inheritance? That already we saw. What is single inheritance? Single inheritance. So one superclass, one derived class can extend only one derived class can extend only one superclass. That is single inheritance. That is technically single inheritance. So what is multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance is nothing but one derived class can extend multiple superclasses, which is not possible in terms of classes. So it is possible only for interfaces. It is not possible for classes. It is possible only for interfaces. Now the question here is always an interview question here is, so that means what is the point is, this is syntax. Syntax is class derived extends superclass 1. That is possible. It extends superclass 1. This is valid. And in this syntax, class derived extends super 1, super 2 like this. And this is invalid. This is invalid. This is invalid. This is valid in terms of interfaces. In terms of interface, suppose we have interface. In interface, we have derived extends. So super 1 and super 2. And this is valid. So this is valid. For interfaces, it is valid, but classes, it is not valid. Now, a frequently asked question is why multiple inheritance is not supported for classes. Why multiple inheritance is not supported for classes? This is the important question. Usually you have an answer for that. So do you have any answer? Can you tell me why multiple inheritance is not supported for classes? Any answer for that? Can you tell anything about that? Why multiple inheritance is not supported for classes? Yeah, many people will give this answer ambiguity problem. What is ambiguity problem? Same member can be there. If same member not there, is it possible? If same member is not there, is it possible? So you are saying that same member, if they are same members are there, then ambiguity problem will come. If same member not there, then it is possible. So this is what generally, technically, generally everyone knows about this. Means in general, this is the answer that everybody gives actually. So not only you, everyone gives the same one. So here, based on the answer he has given to us, that means what answer he has given, based on that we can expect his experience levels, and we can expect his skills, how much in depth he knows about this concept, about OOPS concept. So it is not actually anything related to ambiguity. That is the first point you should know. I will show you that. We will prove that concept. So our developers, because they learned from some XYZ, and once they learn the OOP concepts, so any trainer or any person will not try to explore in-depth architecture and explain you, because you are at the learning level at that moment. At the learning level, to tell you about in-depth architecture is very risky. If you are unable to understand, you will put a remark simply that what he is teaching I can't understand. That's the reason they don't take any risk. They will explain a definition which is understandable to you and which is not technically good. Due to that, you are following the same definition forever now without knowing its architectural background. Why multiple inheritance is not supported for classes? Why it is supported for interfaces? That means interfaces can have ambiguity problem. So this is the general concept actually. Let's see technically what should be the answer for this. Actually, technical answer is for this is